I want to welcome you to this Facebook group. And the question we get quite often from people as they come in is, why am I here? And you're here because you clicked on an ad and you were interested in ways to build wealth online. I'm Mike Ellis, by the way. My partners are Marty DeGarmo and Dan Street. We've been doing this a very, very long time, and we're really, really good at it. But the problem we found as we brought people into our businesses, regardless of what we did, it was really, really hard for them to be successful. And for years, we've tried to find something that would remedy that. As people came in, they would be successful. And that brings me to ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE is truly a unique company doing things online that have never been done in business, online, offline, in the history of business. ONPASSIVE, as you come in, they are going to force you to be successful, period. All that means is you will make money with ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE, as you come in and continue to explore ONPASSIVE, number one, it is a self-funding business. You'll come in, you'll pay once, you'll never have to go out of pocket again. That was so refreshing for me, because most businesses, they will milk you dry, that you'll pay month after month after month, and eventually people just have to quit. ONPASSIVE is 100% automated. It is the way it is structured. It is structured so you will succeed online. This is truly extraordinary. Come on in and continue to explore ONPASSIVE. You're here because you're looking for a way to build wealth. We will show you a way forward with ONPASSIVE to build wealth, build that residual income. And as you come in and start to participate with ONPASSIVE and our team, what you're going to find out is, yes, ONPASSIVE is going to get you to that place where you just don't worry about finances. But being with Marty, Dan, and I, you're also going to find out that we're going to help you cut time frames too and get you to that place quicker of taking care of those financial needs that we've all had. So come on in, continue to explore ONPASSIVE. You will not be disappointed, and you will find a way forward to build that wealth, to build that residual income. Once again, welcome to this Facebook group. I think you're going to absolutely love it. Take care. Bye.